This is PPD, the Philippine Podcast Directory, the one-stop list of podcasters in the Philippines. The PPD has brought a lot of podcasters and podcast titles together in one place. Our goals include bringing startup podcasts to a wider audience, forming a community of podcasters to raise the standards of Pinoy podcasting, and giving listeners a one-stop hub where they can find titles they might be interested in. The PPD also has its own podcast, The PPD Show, highlighting specific podcasters and podcasts in each episode to give listeners a glimpse of the people behind the mic. The PPD Show is on Spotify, Apple Podcasts, Anchor, and wherever you listen to podcasts. The Philippine Podcast Directory can be found on Facebook and Instagram. If you have a podcast and would like to be included in the list, please send us a message and we would love to add you to our list and welcome you to our community.
This episode is sponsored by Podmetrics. Podmetrics is a platform we use to get all of the data we need for our shows. For more details, visit podmetrics.co and use the code TMTGShowPod. And again, that's podmetrics.co and use the code TMTGShowPod. Yay! Welcome to another episode of My Attention to Detail. It's been 2 months or 3 months. Di ko alam kung ilan talaga. It's been 2 or 3 months since di ko ginawa itong segment na to. So i-reintroduce ko lang muna sa inyo itong segment na to. So, Attention to Detail is segment where kung saan nagrarant ako sa iba't ibang bagay about wrestling or about everything na gusto kong i-rant here in the internet. And since naka-break ako ngayon dahil lang year-end bash awards, I want to set this segment as the season break, parang kumbaga season break. And ito na yung parang temporary replacement ko muna for the longer episodes. So, longer episodes will return on December, I guess, 13 or 15. Hindi ko pa sigurado. Pero, balik muna tayo sa subject, guys. So, it's been a long time since nakapanood ako ng Philippine Wrestling. Pagkakatanda ko, that's a PWR match between... basta ano to yun, 5-on-5 na ginanap 2018, 2017, I guess. Di ko natanda, basta Team MSG, I think, versus Team... Wait lang, di ko matanda. Basta that's a 5-on-5 match. And then, ang nanalo dito ay sila Jake De Leon. Ayan. Minention ko. Nagpa-mention ako pangalan, pasensya. Basta alam ko, 5-on-5 yun. And, total, andito lang din naman ako sa subject. I want to run something about this Philippine wrestling thing. So, bago ako mag-umpisa nga pala, I want to introduce the podcast. This is the Unfiltered Tagalog Wrestling Podcast, Philippines' first and only Unfiltered Tagalog Wrestling Podcast. This is the MTG Show Podcast. And my name is Jello, aka MTG nga. Tuloy tayo sa ating detail nga. Gusto ko mag-address lang about something na gusto kong i-address about Philippine wrestling right now. So, recently guys, iniisip ko kasi since nalabas yung mga balita, mga rumors, mga Reddit about this thing, PWR thing, na kung saan ito yung kwento niyan maraming umalis na talents from the promotion and then medyo parang merong may something dito sa situation na to. I don't want to drop names kasi medyo alam mo naman ayoko magka-issue. So, ito lang yung point ko dyan, right? Ayoko magpahaba masyado. Pero may point of view about that statement. Kasi may statement kasi na nilabas dito sa Reddit. If you know Reddit, guys, that's a community na kung saan pwede ka mag-rant about everything as long as you can. Alright? So, ayan. So, nakita ko dun sa Reddit na yon is parang ang sinisisi, parang may sinisisi or something Parang may person or I think they're blaming somebody na dahilan kung bakit na-release itong mga talents na to. Sabi ko nga, I don't want to drop names, baka ano pa yung mangyayari sa akin. Basta, parang, ito na lang yung summary ko. Wait lang, nag-jinx ako. If you don't want to do stupid things, parang gulo, kasi gulo yan eh. That's a war, if you're asking me. If tatanungin nyo ako, parang ang pinapasok kasi natin dito, malaking problema eh. Halimbawa, onting bullying lang. Aminado ako, I was a bullying victim na rin before, but I don't give a fuck. Pero, the point of view here is, parang ang dating kasi sa akin, ng is very, yes, personal, kasi nakakabastos. Pero, parang di nila pinapansin yung point of view or yung mga kasitan na nangyayari, and instead they throw somebody out of the promotion na I don't want to drop it as well, pero you know it naman if you're a Philippine wrestling fan, you know the thing, alam mo na yan. Pero parang hindi kasi clear sa mga tao, especially sa mga fans ng promotions, na hindi maliwanag yung story eh. We all know na that's a private thing. We all know that's a personal thing. But we want to know what's the context. Alright? Hindi ako sumisigaw, di rin ako galit, but gusto ko lang mag-explain. Alright? Baka mamaya may mag-ano na naman sa akin. So, pero my point here is parang nakaka-blanco eh. Ewan ko, may na-release kasi silang talents, may sinuspend sila due to that reason. May sinuspend din sila dahil doon sa mga nangyari for the past few days or months na medyo di kaaya-aya sa tao. Pero ang gusto lang namin is yung kung paano nangyari yung situation. Hindi kasi naiintindihan ng ibang fans, or meron din mga fans na hindi maintindihan kung ano yung sequence. We all know we have different podcasts na pwedeng doon na sila nagbuhos ng galit or doon na sila naglabas ng sama ng loob, I guess. But for somebody or someone na di nakakaalam ng mga podcasts na yon, parang hindi maliwanag sa akin eh. Ako aminado ako, medyo di maliwanag sa akin kung ano yung mga nangyari doon sa promotions na yon. I don't want to drop them again. Ulitin ko. Pero, in the end of the day, guys, I respect their decisions. I respect their move to leave the promotion and being a free agent. In the end of the day, I respect that. Pero, siguro, it's time na din kung tama yung naging decision nyo, it's time to make a new promotion, run it again, and gusto ko makakita na ulit ng wrestling sa Philippines. Putang ina. Seriously, I want to see Philippine wrestling again. Kasi medyo tagal na natin dito sa mga bahay-bahay natin. Ang boring na. Di ko na alam eh. Seriously man. Kahit sino naman eh. Kahit sinong fan, wala tayong magagawa. Alright? So, I want to see new. Gusto ko makita ng matches. Gusto ko makita ng promotions na nag-rise ngayon despite of the pandemic. But, what the fuck, Philippine government? But, in the end of the day, we want something new eh. Diba? If they want to promote a new promotion, if they want to do something, do it. That's just for the fans. Diba? But, again, fuck the government. Seryoso guys. Summary ko na lang lahat ng mga sinabi ko. We want clear statements. Kasi parang di ko nakikita yung statements eh. Parang di maliwanag sa akin yung statement nung nakaraan. Oo, sabi nga, victims, but parang ang dating kasi sa akin, hindi maliwanag yung statement na nilabas for the past few days. So, respect my opinion guys, kasi naman kayo. Pero, balik tayo sa Philippine Wrestling mismo. In 2020. Gusto ko lang naman na maglabas lang sarili kong opinion about this thing. Kasi, medyo nakakamiss kasi Philippine Wrestling. Unang-una. Namimiss ko yung scene, namimiss ko yung atmosphere na may wrestling since putangan ng pandemic na to. Pero, namimiss ko talaga, aminado na ako. Isa na ako doon sa mga nakakamiss siguro. Isa rin kayo, if you're listening to the pod. And, ang medyo nakakadismaya sa akin is, if you're going to continue this war shit thing, parang wala tayong dadatnan ng mga promotions. Alright? Parang ganun parang ganun ang nakikita ko But, again guys, this is my opinion. Respect my opinion. If you're listening to the pod, respect my opinion, alright? So, thank you guys for supporting the pod for the past 6 months. Ayan, malapit na para tayo sa 1 taon. And, siguro, napakatagal na natin dito sa game na to. It's been a long time since di na rin ako nakapag-record for the new episodes na rin for the podcast. Siguro, biro lang. Babawi ako for next year siguro sa mga longer episodes. Babawi ako sa December 13 probably pag nalalabas na yung results for the Year-End Bash Awards. I'm going to give you lots of news. Promise ko yan, guys. Kung ano yung gusto kong ibigay, kung ano yung gusto kong ilabas about wrestling, ilalabas ko yan isusulat ko na yan habang naka-break pa ako. Pero for now, siguro, nilabas ko lang yung mga saloobin ko about this thing. Wala akong sama ng loob sa kahit sino man. Gusto ko lang ilabas kung ano yung naiisip ko, kung ano yung mindset ko about this thing. And the end of the day, wala akong kinakagalitan, right? Baka mamaya may mag-rant sa akin, may mag-rant sa podcast na wala ka naman pakialam dyan, wala kang pakialam, wala kang bilang. Joke lang. Basta ganun, basta gusto ko lang maglabas ng sama ng loob. Siguro, namimiss ko lang talaga ang Philippine Wrestling. In particular, every promotion siguro na kung ano man promotions yun, basta namimiss ko na rin Philippine Wrestling. Yun lang. So, yun na lang yung rant ko. So, follow the podcast on Spotify, Apple Podcast, Google Podcast, Anchor. The MTV Show Podcast app is still there. Our Discord chat, Facebook, Twitter, IG. And then, our Discord and Facebook group is still there. If you want to join our discussions, sa Discord. And support our community. Siyempre, may community yata tayo. Ewan ko kung sino yun nasa community. So, also shoutouts to the Geeky Ones, the Wrestling After Work, and of course, Wrestling Podcast for supporting this shit. And to all of you guys na sumusuporta pa din sa podcast despite of everything what's going on in this fucking podcast. Again, thank you for the support since nalabas na rin yung Spotify Wrapped sa lahat ng nag-number 1 sa akin, nag-number 1 na top podcast sa mga podcast nyo. Thank you very much. Kahit pa paano, malaking pasalamat ko yun sa inyo. And yun na nga, this is my latest episode and this is my attention to detail. Thank you.